Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe from MCGM Virtual Training Center. Welcomes you in today's Standard 7th English class. Children, in today's session we will see the story of two friends. She is Radha and he is Rohit. They are playing a game. As you know, due to corona epidemic, we all are at home. We can't go out, we can't play outdoor games. So they are playing some indoor games. Which game are they playing? So as we all play this game in our school, at our home, name, place and thing. You all like to play this game, isn't it? So which letter is there for them? So that is M. So they are writing name, place and thing which begins with letter M. So now time is up. Now they have to stop it, and they have stopped it, and we will see there are two lists, one of Radha and one of Rohit. Let's begin with the Radha's list. So she has written person's name Malasha. As she has read the story, little girls wiser than old people. So she recollected the name, and the person name is Malasha. Place is Mumbai, and thing mango fruity. Here what Rohit has written, just check it with it. Person man, place market, and thing magazine. So these are the list of Radha and Rohit. So here Rohit is checking Radha's list and Radha is checking Rohit's list. Hey Radha, why are all your answers begin in capital letters and mine in small? Rohit has some question. He asks Radha why her all answer begin in capital letter and his in small letters. So what does Radha say? She said, because you listed all common nouns and I listed all proper nouns. Proper nouns and common nouns? What are they? He doesn't know what Radha is saying. He is asking what is proper noun and common noun means. What are they? So she says, okay, let me tell you. And here Radha gives information about proper and common nouns to Rohit. She describes types of nouns. Initially, two types of nouns. One is common noun and the other is proper noun. Common noun and proper noun. So let's see what Radha is telling about common nouns to Rohit. Common nouns: name, non-specific people, places, things or ideas. Non-specific, this word is very important. See children, non-specific means no specific name of any people, place, thing or idea. As Rohit has written in his list, man, market, magazine. So he never mentioned any specific man or market or magazine. So it is a general name. So common nouns means non-specific people, places, things or ideas. So she tells more about common nouns. A common noun is a general name for the same kind of persons, places or things. Very important word, general. A common noun is a general name for the same kind of persons, places or things. For example, as I said just now, man, market and magazine. They are common things. Man means any man. Market, any market. Vegetable market, fish market, flower market. No specific market has been mentioned. Magazine, any magazine. Now we will see with some more examples. Now here are so many boys. Okay. So there is no specific boy has been mentioned, then that is a common noun. common boy. In our classes also so many boys are there. When suppose teacher tell you, hey boy, come here. So we are confused to whom teacher is calling. But if teacher calls with your name, then that is different. So a common noun is a general name for the same kind of persons, places or things. As I said just now, boy means any boy. Okay, so boy is a common noun. Man is a common noun. Next, she gives more information about the common nouns. Common nouns are spelled in small letters. As we have seen in Rohit's list, all the words which he has written was in small letters. They were in small letters. They do not begin with a capital letter. All common nouns are spelled in small letter and they do not begin with a capital letter. For example, we will see some pictures and words. See here, girl is a common noun. So all small letters GIRL. Beach is a common noun. Pencil is a common noun. So all letters are small letters and there is beginning also with a small letter. So common nouns are spelled in small letters and they do not begin with a capital letter. So she explained three things about the common nouns. So now it's turn of proper nouns. Let's see what Radha tells about proper nouns to Rohit. A proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, place or thing. See, read it again. A proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, place or thing. Particular. There is no general. Particular place. When Radha names Mala Shah, so it is a particular person. When she names Mumbai, it's a particular place. When she names mango fruity, it's a particular thing. So it's a special name given to any person, place or thing. It is known as proper noun. Let's see with some examples. Now you can see there is a picture of Savitribai Phule. We talk about many social reformer, but especially when first Indian lady teacher we are talking about, then she is Savitribai Phule. So it is a proper noun. Savitribai Phule is a proper noun. We talk about many cities, but our city Mumbai. So Mumbai is a proper noun. In our school life, we are handling many types of books and notebooks. But when teacher asks you to do any project, for that we need a project book. So a project book is a special name given to that notebook. So it is a proper noun. Got it? So a proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, place or thing. Then once again we will see the example of the boys. Now here are again so many boys, but especially when we call with a boy with its name Jay, then he says hi. So this is a properly given name to this boy. So a proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, place or thing. Okay, boy is a common noun but Jay is a proper noun. So Radha has told some more thing about proper nouns to Rohit. Let's see. A proper noun can be made up of more than one word. So just now we have seen what is proper noun. The particular name is given to any person, place or thing. Sometimes it can be made up of more than one word. For example, Mount Everest. See, you can see there are two words, Mount and Everest. And we will see one more example, Indian Ocean. Again two words. So proper noun can be made up of more than one word. In the beginning we have seen Radha has written mango fruity. So again there were two words. So a proper noun can be made up of more than one word. Next. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Very important. It was Rohit's question that why your all answers are in Capital letters begin with a capital letter. So a proper noun always begins with a capital letter wherever the word may be in sentence. It is not necessary in the beginning of the sentence, but wherever the word may be in sentence, it should be always written with capital letter. For example, we will read this sentence. The boy threw the ball to his dog Goldie. So here the Goldie is the boy's dog's name. And it has come at the end of the sentence, but that word we have started with a capital letter. G is capital here. Got it? We will read one more sentence. We will be going to Mahabaleshwar in Diwali vacation. See, there are two proper noun words, Mahabaleshwar and Diwali. So both the words are there in the middle of the sentence, but they have started with the capital letter. So a proper noun always begins with a capital letter wherever the word may be in a sentence. So just now we have seen some rules of common and proper noun. Just revise it. A common noun is a general name for the same kind of persons, places or things. As we have seen with examples, boy, man, market, magazine, all these are common nouns. But they are of same kind. Man means any man, boy any boy, market any market, magazine any magazine. So it's a general name. But a proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, place or thing. Proper noun is a special name that names a particular person. We have seen boy is a common noun but Jay is a proper noun. City is a common noun but Mumbai is a proper noun. Notebook is a common noun but project notebook is a proper noun. So in this way a proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, place or thing. Secondly, common nouns are spelled in small letters. They do not begin with a capital letter. We have seen that all common nouns are spelled in small letters and never they begin with a capital letter. But in proper noun, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter wherever the word may be in a sentence. Just now we have seen the sentence. And one more feature about proper noun. A proper noun can be made up of more than one word, as we have seen in example Mount Everest, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and so on. So these were some things which were told by Radha to Rohit. Now we will do one activity here. Read the sentences and circle the common nouns. We will read the sentence and we will circle the common nouns from these sentences. First one, I like these beautiful flowers. So read the sentence and circle the common noun. So flowers is a common noun. Next sentence, the bus stopped suddenly. Underline the common noun and check your answer. Bus. Here no specific bus has been mentioned. Next sentence, birds migrate when it's cold. Now see the answer, birds. And the next sentence is, we saw many animals at the zoo. By the time you have got the answer, animals and zoo. So in this way we have seen that common nouns means not particular thing but general name of a person, place or thing, and it never starts or begins with the capital letter. It is always written in a small letter. Okay, we will do one more small activity. You can play this activity at home as nowadays you are indoors, so you can't play out because of the restrictions. So you can play with your siblings or your friend. Think of a proper noun for each common noun. So first of all, we will read the list of the common noun. Country, flag, mountain, scientist. I have taken 4 common words here. So now we will think of proper noun for this. Country, name India, you can name any country. Flag, Tiranga, tricolor or Tiranga is our national flag. Mountain, Himalaya, and scientist, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So here you can see the picture is clear now. Common name, any general name, and proper, specially given to the person, place or thing. Okay, got it clear? So in this way you can play game of this, naming the things, persons, and you can go on adding in the list like Radha and Rohit. So in this way you can develop your vocabulary and do practice it at home. So that's all for today. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.